Hello everybody, welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, February 20th, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines. Let's jump right into it. We start with the election information. Tomorrow is the spring primary election, and those hours for election will be 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. All polling locations are 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow. For as far as our districts goes, if you're in district number 1, you're voting at the Catholic Multicultural Center at 5256 Verona Road. The entrance is off of Anton Drive, FYI. District number 2, you're at the Wyndham Garden Hotel, 2969 Cahill, Maine. District number 3, you're at the Fitchburg Community Center, 5510 Lacey Road, right next to us here at City Hall. The other section of District 3, you're at Doxa Church, 2700 Novation Parkway. And then District number 4, you're at Fire Station number 1, 5791 Lacey Road. Entrance is off Muchler Road. Fitchburg Public Library will be closed tomorrow for maintenance. They'll be putting in those new shelving units starting tomorrow, so they will be remain closed all day tomorrow as they make the transition. It's going to be a busy day in the library for sure. Rural Fitchburg listening session is happening this week. The Ag and Rural Affairs Committee will be hosting their annual listening session meeting at the Four Winds Farms, 5735 Adams Road on February 21st at 4 p.m. This will be an opportunity for the public to share about their issues that impact them and hear from updates on city staff and relevant issues. All that taking place starting at 4 p.m. You can attend in person, you can watch us online, and if you would like to attend virtually to speak, you can register. Just go to our website for more information on how to do so. Healthy Neighborhoods Initiative 2023 grant cycle is open, but it ends this week. That's right. The City of Fitchburg's Healthy Neighborhood Initiative announces the 2023 grant cycle. The grant is intended to strengthen and enhance the Fitchburg's priority neighborhoods using initiative approach that will have a long-term impact on residents, businesses, and or the physical environment. Program focus areas include youth mentoring, youth education, adult education, workforce development, and food security, neighborhood community building and engagement, and the priority neighborhoods include Verona Road, Velma, Renaissance, and the Park, North Fishatry Road, and Southdale area. Maximum of any one grant is limited to $15,000, and interested parties need to get in their applications by Wednesday, February 22nd by 4 p.m. Those can be delivered to Deanna. That's deanna.schmidt@fitchburgwi.gov if you got any questions. You can give her a call or send her an email. Second Harvest Free Mobile Food Pantry is back this week. That's right. The Second Harvest Mobile Food Pantry stops at the Southdale Park on the second and fourth Thursdays of every month. No restrictions. Everyone in need is welcome, no matter where you live. No ID or proof of income is needed, and guests may walk up or drive through. Any changes to the dates or times, the locations for these mobile food pantries, they'll be sent out via text, and you can receive those text alerts by texting Food Dane to 866-989-3123. That is on our website, and of course we share the links to all of our stories, so you can check that out through our social media. This event will be on February 23rd from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. at the Southdale Park. That's 200 Deer Valley Road here in Fitchburg. Adult Craft Program is happening at the Fitchburg Public Library this week. It will be held on February 23rd from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. You're making some cool candle holders, or you can design what you like, but that's going to be happening at 6:30 at the Fitchburg Public Library. And it's adult crafting. I've been asking for it. They're doing it. It's going to be a lot of fun there on the 23rd at the library. And finally, new Data Snapshot is in. Came in late last week, but I did want to share some of that information with you, including cases were stable from the 16th through the 29th of January. And stable over the last 2 weeks. Madison and Sun Prairie have a very low COVID water waste concentration with no significant increases. The most vaccinated county in Wisconsin had 37% lower COVID deaths by the rate in 2021 compared to 2020, which is awesome to hear.